Want to make $500 daily? And what if I told you you could do it with Google? That's right. The same Google you use for searching cat videos holds incredible income potential. Forget needing a big budget or a fancy website. We're diving into a strategy so straightforward anyone can start today. Ready to transform your financial life using tools you already have? We'll uncover how Google Docs, your trusty word processor, can become a cash-generating machine. And the best part? No technical jargon or complicated setups. This is about leveraging what you use every day to build a substantial income stream. Imagine waking up each morning excited to tackle your online business, all thanks to the power of Google. No more dreading the alarm clock or feeling stuck in a dead-end job. This is about taking control of your time, your finances, and your future. So, are you ready to unlock Google's money-making magic and start earning the income you deserve? Let's dive in. Google Docs. It's not just for grocery lists and school essays anymore. We're turning this free tool into your personal money-making machine. How? By creating high-quality, informative content that attracts readers and drives affiliate sales. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about. Gaming, cooking, travel, the possibilities are endless. Next, use Google search to identify popular keywords related to your niche. These keywords will guide your content creation, ensuring you attract a targeted audience. Now open up a Google Doc and start writing. Craft engaging articles, how-to guides, or reviews that provide genuine value to your readers. Weave in your affiliate links naturally within the content, making it easy for readers to purchase the products or services you recommend. But it's not just about writing. Presentation matters. Use headings, bullet points, and images to make your content scannable and engaging. A well-formatted document is more likely to keep readers hooked and increase your chances of affiliate sales. With your Google Doc content ready to roll, it's time to find those golden affiliate products that will have your earnings soaring. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Head back to Google search and explore affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. These platforms offer a vast library of products across countless niches, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your audience. When selecting affiliate products, prioritize quality over quantity. Promote products you genuinely believe in and would recommend to a friend. Authenticity is key to building trust with your audience and boosting your conversion rates. Don't be afraid to experiment and test different products within your niche. Track your results using Google Analytics to identify which products resonate most with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. Turning your knowledge into cash. Content is king. Content is king in the world of online earning, and Google Docs is your royal scribe. But it's not just about churning out words. It's about creating valuable, informative content that solves your audience's problems. Think about the questions your target audience might have within your chosen niche. What are their pain points? What solutions are they seeking? Use these insights to guide your content creation, positioning yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Don't limit yourself to written content alone. Explore other engaging formats like video scripts, podcast outlines, or even social media posts. Diversifying your content can expand your reach and attract a wider audience. Remember, consistency is key. Establish a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. The more value you provide, the more likely they'll trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. Start simple, grow big. Your journey begins today. Earning $500 daily with Google search might seem like a distant dream, but it all starts with a single step. Today, that step is simple. Create your first piece of content. Choose a niche, pick a product, and start writing. Don't get bogged down by perfectionism. The most important thing is to get started. You can always refine and improve your content as you go. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be patient, persistent, and focus on providing value to your audience. As your content gains traction and your affiliate sales grow, you can reinvest your earnings into expanding your online business. The potential to achieve financial freedom through Google is within your grasp. Believe in yourself, take action, and watch as your online income begins to flourish. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment any other ideas you have, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Remember that your journey to financial freedom is just beginning.